tide of silence, soft and wide, through my spirit flow and guide. What I feel, I now release, in drifting waves of endless peace. The element of water is the current of emotion, intuition, healing, and deep inner perception within spellcraft. It is the magic of flow, unbound, adaptive, and ever-changing. Where earth holds, water moves. Where fire transforms, water dissolves. Where air defines, water merges and reflects. Water element is often understood as the bridge between conscious awareness and the subconscious depths. It is the realm where feelings become language and memory becomes movement. In mystical interpretation, water is not passive. It is alive with intelligence that responds to emotional truth. Water magic is the art of surrendering rigidity. It teaches that force is not always required for change. Instead, transformation can occur through yielding, softening, and allowing reality to reshape itself through emotional resonance. Like rivers carving stone, water changes the world, not through resistance, but persistence. To work with water is to enter the inner landscape of feeling. Dreams, intuition, empathy, and memory all arise from this current. It is the element most closely tied to the unconscious mind, the place where unspoken truths reside. A simple water attunement begins with stillness and breath. The practitioner focuses not on control, but on sensation. Emotions are not judged or directed. They are observed like waves passing through awareness. Visualize yourself standing at the edge of an endless body of water. It may be a sea, a lake, or a flowing river. The form matters less than the feeling of movement and depth. Each wave represents an emotion, memory, or instinct arising and dissolving. Then speak softly. Aqua anima. Flow within. Wash the silence. Cleanse the skin. What I feel, I now embrace, in endless tide and boundless grace. Water is deeply connected to healing. In many traditions, it is used symbolically to cleanse not only physical impurities, but emotional residue. Tears, rain, and sacred waters are all expressions of release. In this sense, water does not erase pain. It transforms it into movement. It is also the element of intuition. Unlike logic, which defines and separates, water perceives through connection. It senses patterns beneath the surface. It knows without explanation. This is why water practitioners often rely on feeling over analysis. Yet water is not without complexity. Because it absorbs, it can also become saturated. Unprocessed emotion may accumulate, leading to overwhelm or instability. Thus, water magic always requires release. Flow must continue, or stagnation forms. This is why rituals of letting go are central to its practice. Writing emotions and placing them into flowing water are expressions of this principle. Visualizing worries dissolving into waves, or simply crying as an act of energetic release are all part of this. In deeper practice, water is also associated with reflection. Just as still water mirrors the sky, the mind in water state reflects inner truth. This is why silence is important. Only in stillness does reflection become clear rather than distorted. A closing invocation may be used. Flumen quiet, drift, and fade, all my burdens now unmade. Flow return to ocean wide, with the tide I turn inside. And through that recognition, transformation becomes natural rather than forced. It recognizes that feeling is not weakness, but intelligence in motion. In the end, water teaches one simple truth. Water magic does not seek to dominate emotion. It seeks to understand it. To move with life is to never be broken by it. And so it flows, through sorrow, through joy, through silence, through becoming.